especially in classics, looking for one that's not going to break the bank, take a look at this 80s classic, 1988 Mazda RX-7 convertible. This particular car, 1.3 liter or 1308 cc engine underneath the hood, and that would be a twin rotor engine, by the way. Paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's all the components for the AC are there. Clutch kicked on and off, but the blower fan is in op, so we did not get any cold air pushing out of this one. Paint on it does show its age, as you can see on the hood here. Some touch-ups, light scratching. If you wanted to spend some time buffing compound, wet sanding, could probably bring that back some. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see every angle of this car, top side, bottom side, engine bay, trunk, probably 120 pictures of this car online at Unique, especially in classics. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And again, you do have a little hazing to the paint. You can have a lot of these kind of little chips. Again, on the hood, some touch-up. A little rubber stripping here on the side, body molding. A little bit loose up and down this side. Did notice there are some light dings there also. All right, power convertible top, black vinyl. And this section right here, when the top is folded up, and we're going to get into that later, this section here, when the top is folded up, can actually be removed. So you basically have a convertible down, you have the soft top all the way up, and then if you remove this rigid part, you'll end up with like a Targa top car also. Bucket seats, gray leather. And there's that 5-speed on the console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, a few little dings back here also. A few stress, kind of spider webs, stress cracks, if you will, in the clear on the rear bumper. This does come with the parade boot to the convertible top cover and a few other miscellaneous parts that will be in the trunk. You can also see in the still pictures. Paint missing on the rear. I tried to get those spots pictured up in the still pictures also, which you can see at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. A few kind of little door dingers along here. I've got paint cracking in a spot there, and I also noticed a little dinger up here in the front. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this interior. I think what I'll do then is I'll put the top up. I want to start it, let you hear it run, but I'll kind of do that all at once. Make sure the headlights work. We're going to flip those up. I'll get everything going and come back on this video here shortly. But let's check out the interior real quick first. 115,883. That is confirmed miles. No readings over that on the Carfax. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Again, remember the blower fan. Tech made notes that it was in op. There's your stereo system. This one does have the optional headrest speakers, which the controls would be for right there. You can see seating area. It does show some aging on the leather. Rip down here, but again, it's priced accordingly. If you're looking for a fun little older import with the drop top without breaking the bank, here you go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get that top up so you can check that out. We're gonna check out those headlights, let you hear it run. So give me a second here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, fired it up here. First of all, flip the headlights up also. See, those are working fine. Again, 1.3 liter. Twin rotor engine, power steering, power brakes, AC. not had the AC blowing full, remember, due to that blower motor. It has been converted from the 134, so it is. Alright, let's slip around. I want to show you the top here also. Now, I did mention that target top can be removed. So this is that section right here that can come out. This rear will stay up. Like I said, it's kind of like you have a target top, if you will. It is a power top, works fine. Again, black vinyl. Rear glass window. It'll serve the purpose, keep you dry or out of the sun, whichever you may need. Nice and tight up front. There you go. '88 Mazda RX-7 convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. We call every